My name is Peter Louis. Our shop's been in business for about 15 years. This system, Repair Tech, it's been working well for us. On previous systems, when we try to get the authorization from a customer, we would have to call them and give them the quote and get the authorization. So with the current system, we can email or text the customer and they were able to approve it over the internet. And another thing is the diagnosis feature, and that's been helpful also. So these are really great things. And compared to the other systems, Repair Tech give you labor time and repair instructions, and this one is just another plus. It's relatively easy to use and easy to pick up, and unlike some systems that are too complicated to navigate. For what we do, I think this is a great program. I would definitely recommend it to other people that I know.